Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Hey there, welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into exclusive details about the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 series straight from Thinborn, a top-notch case manufacturer. Let's jump right in and uncover the exciting features coming to Google's flagship smartphones. Meet the Pixel 9 series lineup. Thinborn's latest leak spills the beans on the three models in the Google Pixel 9 series: the standard Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and the Pixel 9 Pro XO. This confirms earlier rumors about Google's plan to offer both compact and larger options in the Pixel 9 lineup. Design secrets from case renderings. Get ready for sleek flat edges, reminiscent of the latest iPhones, combined with the signature rounded corners from the Pixel 8 series. The camera bar, shaped like a Cyclops visor, will feature flat edges instead of curving into the sides, aligning with whispers about changes in the upcoming Pixel Fold. Discovering Thinborn. Thinborn is renowned for its minimalist, high-quality cases loved by users who want protection without sacrificing style. Their cases blend functionality and aesthetics seamlessly, making them a top choice for those who value both. Spotlight on Thinborn's Aramid fiber case. Dive into Thinborn's stand-up Aramid fiber case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, praised for its thin profile and premium packaging. Crafted from Aramid fiber, it offers robust protection without adding bulk, with a magnetic closure hinting at wireless charging support. Outro. Thanks for joining us on Future Phone Flash. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more exclusive tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay ahead in the world of tech.